In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links in Podia. We'll start from your Podia dashboard. Once you're there, click on your site name to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Admin. This takes you into the area where you can manage your site settings and content more directly. Next, click on Website. From there, choose Edit Site to open the site editor. This is where you'll make changes to the content on your pages, including adding links to text or buttons. Once you're inside the editor, access the link settings by finding the text or button you want to turn into a link. If you're working with text, highlight the specific words you want visitors to click. If you're working with a button, simply click on the button element itself. This tells Podia exactly what you want to link. After that, click the link icon in the editing menu. This opens the link options so you can choose where the link should go. You'll then see a drop-down menu with several destination choices. You can link to a URL if you want to manually enter a web address. You can also link directly to a product or event, which is helpful for sending people to a sales or checkout page. Another option is site content, where you can choose from things like blog posts, custom pages, categories, or community plans. There's also a contact option for actions like opening an email draft or starting a phone call. And if you want to promote an offer, you can choose coupons to automatically apply an active discount to a product link. Finally, configure the link settings. If you want the link to open in a separate browser window or tab, check the Open in New tab box. This can be especially useful when linking to external pages since it helps keep your Podia site open for the visitor. And that's how to create links in Podia.